Bollywood movies are never complete without any Naach Gana, and similar seems to be the case with the small screen now as well. With the number of top-notch TV stars making their way into television and the best of Bollywood's talent now being seen on the small screen as dance show judges, it comes as no surprise to see that the most coveted dancer that Bollywood has seen in years, Hrithik Roshan, is all set to mark his small screen debut with Just Dance. At a press conference, this Greek god came around with the other two judges, Vaibhavi Merchant and Farah Khan, to talk about his show. And when he was questioned if making his foray into television through a dance platform was always what he wanted, he said,
I have never really been inclined towards doing TV, but which is, what makes it more important to say that it was the impact of this particular concept that just drove the nail, in and just made such a big impact on me that I had to do it. It's one of those. I never thought that I would want to play a role like Guzarish, for instance. But when I read the script, it did something to me, and I had to be a part of it. Or for that matter, a Dhoom or a Krish. So it's one of those,
But since it's his first time on the small screen, asking him to mention that one Bollywood personality he really loves watching on screen is also very obvious.
Each and every one of them they have so much magic. The reason that they are who they are is because they are beyond any one of us. I look up to all of them. So it is not possible for me to choose a talent, because for me they are not talents, they are gurus. So I just sit and learn, Whenever I watch any one of them, I have to sit and learn. Because I believe I'm an aspiring actor myself. Even after 10 years, I feel I'm still an aspiring actor. So I still have to learn, I still have to watch like a student.
Knowing that getting an answer such as this is not an easy task, we managed to probe the actor further to finally getting an answer, which was...
सबसे ज़्यादा जो मैंने देखा है on TV is Mr. Bachchan.
Well, now that shouldn't come as any surprise. But knowing the footsteps you're going to follow, Hrithik, we're sure your show would be something to look forward to. With cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Rajshri.com.